You're gonna love today's video because we found all the stuff we needed, the chargers and the tripod, and now we're gonna get much better quality GoPro videos.
Continue on I-75.
Good morning, it's about 8 o'clock. We're here in Mount Vernon. 45 degrees, not too bad. Sun's coming up, so looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Just getting started. We sat for a little while because we had a lot of time on this particular load. We go and deliver it now. We got about, I think it was 100 and something miles to go. I don't know what it was.
155.
I had to stop early, otherwise we wouldn't have had no room, because I know this place we're going, they don't have any space. These places where we deliver for McDonald's are always really tight areas. This is pretty cool though through here. I don't know if you can see on these walls or not, but there's like stripes that go up and down. And what that is they actually, when they built these roads way back when, those stripes that you see on the walls are where they drilled holes down in to the rock and then put dynamite down in those holes, and simultaneously blew the dynamite up, which is how they made those walls. It blew the rock away from it. Kind of made like a man-made fault line to break it away. So everything still looks like brown sticks, except for the evergreens.
Yep. Woo. Evergreens.
Is that a lake or a river?
It's a lake.
It's a lake. Maybe a reservoir, right?
No, lake.
After we deliver this today, we got another one to pick up also here in Ohio. Like we said yesterday, then it goes down to Georgia, then we pick up from Georgia, go to Ocala. They got a flour load to be waiting for us there, and back up to West Liberty, back to Ohio again. These big walls they had to cut. It's amazing. Drive along here in the wintertime sometimes, the water cascades down and it'll be all ice. So it'll be like this big wall of ice there. It's actually kind of pretty to see. I don't like ice and snow, but some of it can be pretty. Jake likes snow. He likes to go snowboarding. I don't know that I've ever been with Jake that he's been snowboarding, but he says he likes to go snowboarding.
We used to go all the time with the church.
He may go one day. I'm gonna sit around a fireplace while he's out snowboarding though. But I'm not planning on going out into the snow. Except I do want to try tubing though. Definitely said that already, but whatever. Tubing looks like it'd be easy and less likely to break something. Somebody broke down on the side. If you ever see a truck broke down on the side of the road like this, guys, move over, because sometimes we got to walk around their truck, checking it out, investigating it. So don't drive by us in this lane right next to where we're pulled over. It's unsafe for us, it's unsafe for you. Give us some room, show us some love. I got the GoPro charger found, and that's good. And I set up our other tripod in order to see if we can improve the sound quality, because up on the dashboard we're getting a lot of vibration and knocking and just extra noise. So this one sits directly on the floor, which is rubber. And
take exit 6
windy today.
Yeah. So how far away are we now, Jake?
Not sure.
Be in either of the two left lanes.
Well, it says we'll be there in 11 minutes, so can't be too far. But I just wanted to do this for a minute and see how it came out. Hopefully we can use the GoPro in this kind of configuration in the future. I really like the way the view is out of the window. You don't see to the sides quite as much this way, but you see more of kind of the way we see, I guess. I think I like it. Sort of top-heavy tripod. Gotta really hold on to it. Hey, there's Dave and Buster's.
Yeah.
We went to Dave and Buster's once. I think we were what?
South Carolina.
Then take the
South
exit
Carolina.
to
Yeah, that's
Ohio
where we were going back to.
747 North.
Swift.
I know there was a movie theater next door.
There's a big mall right here.
I think we saw. No, I'm talking about when we went to Dave and Buster's. I think we
saw
went to the
Mad
movies the
Max.
same day.
We went the day before and the day after. We saw Mad Max the one day, and then we saw.
That Mad Max movie was weird.
I forget what we saw the second day, but we saw something.
I thought we seen like one of those superhero movies, like Avengers or
We might have seen the Avengers.
one of those animals. I think this is a pretty decent shot, though. When you guys watch this, comment for us. And for crying out loud, everybody that can, hit the like button. Some days we get 8 or 9 likes, and other days we get like 2. But the views are similar. You guys are forgetting to hit that like button. Right down there. Only takes a second. Help us out. I'm not sure how it helps us out, really. But everybody says it does. I think it helps in our ranking, which helps us get more views. We were talking about probably in a couple months or so we'd have enough on our YouTube account, I think, to where we can make a withdrawal. And that's $100. And when we do, we want to set up some t-shirts, and we're just going to give them away. I don't want to really get into the t-shirt sales business, I don't think. At least not at this point. I think I'm more interested in just giving them away. I think it'd be fun. I think we're going to do a logo for Big World Dreamers. I think that's what we all should be, as Big World Dreamers. Dream about your next adventure and then plan it.
2.5 miles. Turn left on Park Union Road.
Make the dreams a reality. Right, Jake?
Yeah, sorry, I'm busy
I
trying
know.
to navigate traffic.
Well, I'm just trying to...
Well, the problem is I'm starving and there's no food here. So,
Yeah, hopefully this delivers quick and then we'll go to Flying J or whatever and get some food. Didn't you say we're going to Flying J?
yeah, I gotta get the truck washed up. Flying J.
I'm going to get some soup today, I think. Hopefully.
And now here we are, leaving the truck stop.
This fuel area is weird in these truck stops. They come out at an angle that makes all the trucks run together. Why do they do that? I don't know.
I don't
There's
know
enough
either.
room for me to get through, though.
Yeah.
Alright.
Man.
I actually have to pick a load up today. Normally, Jake does most of the picking up of everything.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to go this way because I can't make that turn without hitting something, so kind of go the long way around.
could.
But just a minute ago, what you saw was a heater at the Blue Beacon. That thing was crazy. It had a straight up flame shooting through a little vent. Yeah, it sounded like a jet engine going on in there. But yeah, and it's behind the door when they open the door, so it has to turn off whenever they open the door. Or their little foam doors that they got would be melted. And I got tomato basil soup to eat. I can kind of drink that, so that's good. Because we got just enough time to get going to where we're going. And Hawaiian rolls.
Yeah!
Don't normally get Hawaiian rolls with my soup, but today I wanted some. Not sure why.
I don't know why either, since you're not exactly eating them. But that's okay. Nobody cares.
Look, I can't get them open. I would need some assistance from you. Show them. They come in a little 4-pack like this. It's kind of cool. I'm not sure if they just seen a shadow or not.
I don't know. That's what they look like. They're all wet.
That's because I set them on top of the soup while I was getting my tea.
Oh, okay.
I made my cup full of oolong dragon tea.
Ooh,
I love that stuff.
Ooh,
I don't come to Pilot very often for that. Usually I just get the Lipton tea that they have at Love's because it's free for us because we get enough fuel there that they give us unlimited drinks.
Yep.
I get some free drinks at Pilot, but not that often. I think it's like every 9th one or something like that. And we do get fuel at Pilot every now and then from Flying J.
We're gonna go to the left.
The only ones we don't go to at this point is TA and Petro. Got the police on the ramp over here. Wonder what that's all about.
Ooh. Where? I don't see nothing about it. Oh,
You're gonna see him in a minute.
Oh, I see him now.
That's not the ramp we're going on though, so it's good.
Turn right on Mary Groves Highway, then take the first left.
He's done now. He had somebody pulled over. It's the sheriff.
What are we doing in March? Never mind.
Nothing in March that I know of.
Never mind.
Why?
Because you got a green light, by the way.
Yeah, I see it now.
Mr. Skrillex is playing in Vegas.
You just put your fingers here instead of trying to hold it.
He's also going to be in Vegas May the 14th.
Turn left on I-75
Holy cow.
North.
Look at that light. You can see the wind. I wonder if they can you see the traffic lights in the video?
Yep.
Look at how the wind is blowing them things around. Oh my goodness.
It's going to break on someone's car.
That's crazy.
It's kind of hilarious, actually.
Wow. Can you still see them?
Yeah.
Those things look like they're about to... Man, I hope those are really strong cable things that are holding that up. I don't think I've ever seen them that bad. Maybe that's why they put them on poles now, so they don't do that.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, well that's all for now. Okay.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
So, let's see. We pick up a load now. I guess we've said all this before. We're going to Georgia, then Ocala, then back to Ohio. It's kind of all the same places.
Yep.
I'm looking forward to seeing new places soon. We're supposed to do 48 states, but I don't know if that's true since we're flying in and out of Florida with our new job. So I'm pretty sure that that state's, I mean, I guess they do freight in and out of there, but I think it would probably end up being like a rarity type of thing.
Rarity.
I did test the GoPro video from earlier, and I think it came out fantastic. I mean, there's still truck noise. I don't think we're going to get away from truck noise. It's a truck. But all that vibration was gone, which is really good. I think that's all we have today, though. But keep planning your big adventure. Explore someplace in the big world. Dream big. We'll see you tomorrow.